Well, after a nice afternoon yesterday, but still kind of cool. The high out at SeaTac only hit 62 degrees, so still 6 degrees below the normal high for this time of the year. But today we're going to be seeing more sunshine, and we're going to be seeing those temperatures start to go up. A nice looking morning there, looking out from Port Angeles. We have seen a few clouds around out towards the Cascades, and of course some coastal cloudiness has moved into the South Sound, but that should all be burning off and improving during the day. Checking the Bellingham Tower cam again, not very many clouds showing up there up in Whatcom County this morning, but looking out from the Seattle Tower cam down towards Mount Rainier and the South Cascades, you can still see a lot of middle and high clouds that are out there back over the Cascades themselves and banked up against them. So those are going to be out there through a chunk of the day today, but those should start to clear a little bit later on. Seeing the effect of that down there in Tacoma, where you're a little bit closer to the South Cascades, and you see the coast still socked in with the low clouds. Marine deck is pushed in there, and that's going to be burning off as we head towards just a little bit later on this morning. So we'll all converge on sunshine as we head towards this afternoon. Take a look at that countdown to summer, just 25 days until it arrives officially, but actually today and tomorrow is going to feel like it might have arrived a little bit earlier than that, but we're going to stay in this pattern where we're warm for a few days and we cool off, and warm for a few days and we cool off. It looks like all the way into next week. Take a look at the satellite image. It's an interesting image today. So the low that moved through and gave us the rain yesterday has dropped way southward. It's rotating down here roughly in California. You can see that rotation around it. It's still bringing clouds up into eastern Washington, and that's what we're seeing out over the Cascades this morning, and that's going to sit there through the day today and on into tomorrow. And then as we head towards later on tomorrow, the ridge of high pressure that's out here and pushing in, that's going to push down south of us. It's a complicated situation, and we're going to see more moisture come out of that low in California and push in here for later on Thursday. That's going to give us some showers in the Cascades Thursday afternoon, and those will work their way into Puget Sound as we head towards Friday morning. And then as we head into Friday, that low is going to move on to the east and pull away from us, but at the same time, we're going to see a little weak disturbance move out of the Pacific. That's going to be bringing in some clouds with it, not any additional rain, but it'll also bring some cooler air, which will keep us cool over the weekend, even though we're going to be staying pretty much dry over the weekend. The computer model might show it even a little bit better. So putting that into motion from this morning, you'll see not a whole lot going on. A few showers possible up in the Cascades this afternoon. And then as we head towards Thursday morning, you can see we've got clear skies, sunshine, probably see a few places at 80 on Thursday. But by later in the day, Thursday, you can see we start to pop up showers there in the Cascades once again. And then as we head towards Thursday evening into early on Friday morning, we'll see those push over on into Puget Sound to give us a chance of showers on Friday, especially in the morning. And then as we head towards later in the day and that low starts to move on to the east, those will diminish, but at the same time, we'll have that little weak front move in from the Pacific, giving us clouds to keep us partly sunny and to keep our temperatures fairly cool over the weekend. So you can see that kind of clears out as we head on to Saturday, but we have that cooler air headed our way. So as I said, kind of a complex situation, but the bottom line is we've got a couple days of sunshine today and tomorrow. Take a little bit of a break Friday, and then the weekend it's looking partly sunny, but temperatures will probably remain a little below normal through most of the weekend. You can see that in the 7 days. So sunshine today and tomorrow. Some places again touching 80 tomorrow, but the chance of showers moves in after midnight on Thursday night. We have showers around on Friday, especially in the morning. They'll just be scattered and shouldn't be widespread. The temperatures, though, kind of take a plunge from Thursday into Friday, dropping back to the low 60s on Friday. Then as we head into the weekend, that little disturbance moves in from off the Pacific, just brings some clouds with us and some cool air. So partly sunny with highs over the weekend in the low to mid 60s. And then as we head to the first part of next week, we're going to see those temperatures starting to warm back up again in the low to mid 70s Monday, and they're 80 degrees as we head towards Tuesday. Take a look at the mountains today, looking pretty good. The Olympics, actually, you can see hardly a cloud in the sky there, and quite a few more clouds there in Paradise at Mount Rainier. That's going to clear as we head towards later this afternoon, or at least we'll turn partly sunny up there, so it'll turn into a pretty decent day. And across the pass is looking at about the same with those clouds sitting over the Cascades. Forecast for today, basically turning partly sunny this afternoon. Temperatures at the 3,000-foot level, getting up into the mid-60s, so a decent hiking day. And tomorrow will be very similar to that. We'll see temperatures a little bit warmer tomorrow afternoon, but we'll also see the clouds starting to move in late tomorrow afternoon up in the Cascades, and could see a chance of some showers moving in there as we head towards late evening on Thursday night. So definitely, if you're going to be out late spending the night on Thursday night, be prepared for a little bit of rain as you head into early on Friday. Checking the 7-day forecast kind of reflects that. A little bit of fog in the mornings and sunshine for Wednesday and Thursday. On into Friday, we're going to be looking for those showers. They're going to be also cooling things down from mid-70s for the highs on Thursday to the upper 40s on Friday. Weekend not looking bad, partly sunny with temperatures mainly in the 50s there at the 3,000-foot level. And then as we head into next week, more sunshine and gradually getting a little bit warmer. Here in the lowlands today, things will be improving. The upper 60s and low 70s, basically Seattle northward, mid-70s south of Seattle. And we'll be seeing those temperatures push up even more tomorrow with the 70s to near 80 degrees down in the South Sound. So a pretty warm day before we do that big cool down on Friday when those high temperatures drop back to the upper 50s to low 60s. Pretty good drop there. Pick up a degree or two on Saturday, and then as we head into Sunday, we do start to see things warm back up again with temperatures right around the 70-degree mark in the warmest spots down in the South Sound. So today again, mostly sunny, low to mid 70s. Tomorrow we'll be in the 70s to near 80 degrees, and then we'll see that chance of showers moving into Puget Sound after midnight Thursday night. They'll be around, scattered around on Friday, cooling back into the low 60s, even a few upper 50s as we just saw, and then partly sunny over the weekend with low to mid 60s. As we head into Monday and Tuesday, sunshine and temperatures warming back up again. We continue this kind of roller coaster of high temperatures you can see over the course of the next 7 days. And then if we look beyond that, as we move into that first week of June, well, follow the same pattern, around 80 degrees Tuesday, but cooling back to the mid 60s as we head towards the end of the week. But we're slowly making our way on towards summer.